Welcome to my Odia education tutorial channel. In this video we are going to learn 50 important computer based GK questions with answers. So let's start. Question number 1. Full form of URL. Full form of URL is Uniform Resource Locator. Option A. Question number 2. www stands for World Wide Web. Option B is right answer. Question number 3. Which of the following are components of Central Processing Unit CPU? The component of Central Processing Unit CPU is Arithmatic Logic Unit, that is control unit. Question number 4. Which of the following first generation of computers had? The answer will be vacuum tubes, magnetic drum. Option A. Question number 5. Where is RAM located? Option C. Motherboard. Question number 6. Who is the father of internet? Father of internet is Vint Cert. Question number 7. Who is the founder of Bluetooth? Founder of Bluetooth is Ericson. Option C. What is the full form of LU? Arithmetic Logic Unit. Option A. Question number 9. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as multiprocessor. Option C. Question number 10. If a computer provides database services to other, then it will be known as database server. Option D. Question number 11. In which of the following form data is stored in computer? In binary system. Option C. Question number 12. Technology used to provide internet by transmitting data over wires of telephone network is? The answer will be option A. DSL. Question number 13. Which of the following is used in RAM? In RAM, semiconductor is used. Option C. Question number 14. What is the full form of GUI in terms of computer? The answer will be option C. Graphical Unified Interface. Question number 15. Which level language is assembly language? Here option A is right answer, machine language. Question number 16. Documents, movies, images and photographs etc. are stored at a file server. Option C. Question number 17. Which of the components is also considered as its heart? Microprocessor. Option C. Question number 18. Verification is a process of authentication. Option B. Question number 19. What is full form of SMPS? Switch mode power supply. Option B. Question number 20. What is Linux? Linux is a operating system. Option D. What is the name first supercomputer of India? Option A. Param 8000. Question number 22. Which is the most common language used in web designing? That is HTML. Option D. Question number 23. Who is known as the father of computer? Charles Babbage. Option C. Which among the following is odd? BIOS. BIOS. Question number 25. Which operations are performed by RAM? Read and write. Option A. Question number 26. MPG is a file extension of which type of files? Video files. Option B. Question number 27. Second generation of computers consist of which of the following? Option B. Transistor. Question number 28. What is the full form of CMOS? Complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Option B. RAM is non-volatile in nature. False. Question number 30. Random access memory is which storage of device? Tertiary. Option D. Question number 31. ROM is non-volatile. True. Option A. Which among the following is second storage device? Second storage device is hard disk. Option A. Question number 33. Which program is run by BIOS to check hardware components are working properly while computer is turned on? Option B. Post. USB is which type of storage device? USB is. Question number 35. Which among the following is commonly used language in Android applications? Java. Option D. 36. Intersections of column and rows is called cell. Option B. 37. Microsoft Office is type of dash. Option C. Application software. Question number 38. Which type of switching is used in internet packet? Option C. Which type of software is an operating system? Operating system is a system software. Option D. Question number 40. In banking, railways, etc., which computers are used? Mainframes. Option C. IP address version 4 is in which format? 32-bit. Option D. Question number 42. Which device among the following is used for sending digital data over phone line? The option B is right answer. Modem. Which is odd one? CRT. Option A. 44. An electronic part that sends signals from one part of computer to another is bus. Option C. 45. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. Option C. BIOS is used for. Option C. Loading operating system. 47. What is the full form of EXIF? Exchangeable image file format. Option B. Question number 48. Where BIOS is stored? Flash memory chip. Option C. What is used to make computer chips? Silicon. Option B. What is the full form of DOS? Disk operating system. Option A. Please like, comment and share this video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.